My grandma is going to exercise for maliit na chan.
Aray! Aray!
Do it straight. That's good exercising. After you do that, do the treadmill.
Do you think my belly will become small?
No, you will be fat for a week.
Kung ginagawa masisira yung tsinelas ko.
Paano nasisira? Oh shoot, what the? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. My grandma is eating vegetables to make her belly small. Good exercising, grandma. Lola, how old are you? I just want to know your age.
65.
65?
Yeah.
Then, if you be like 100, then you die. If you be 101, you die.
Do you think I will get to 101?
I think 100.
Do you
Just
think I will live 101 years?
yeah.
Oh.
I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you die.
No, I don't like it. Too old. Otherwise, if I become 101 years old, you only kick me.
But what? Why?
You said, "Oh, you are old lady." Then you kick my ass.
No?
Really?
No, I did not say that. I just said you're old. Not. I said I did not. I'll not. Good. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up.
You see how long? I'm tired.
You're not tired. Just go exercise more.
How many minutes?
Not yet. Make it to 7 minutes.
Huh?
Make it to 7 minutes and done.
7 minutes. I
And it's
cannot.
Martin again.
No, I cannot. 7 minutes is too long.
5 minutes.
Oh.
4 minutes.
Now how many minutes?
3 minutes.
My goodness.
Make it. Wait for 4 minutes. Or 5 minutes. Up. Oh shoot! What the?
I'm sweating.
You're sweating.
Yeah.
Then you can just exercise like for 4 minutes and done. It's my turn again and your turn. My turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn. My grandma's good at exercising.
Rest.
Bye guys, my grandma's time to go to bed.